Join me as I embark on a challenge to find my Zen through a 5-minute meditation promising instant stress relief. Can tranquility really be achieved in just 5 minutes? Let's explore this together and discover if a brief moment of mindfulness can make a significant impact. Meditation is a remarkable tool for cultivating calmness and clarity amidst life's chaos. Incorporating it into daily routines enhances mental and emotional well-being, significantly reducing stress and anxiety. Today, we'll delve into a 5-minute meditation practice designed to provide instant stress relief, leaving you more relaxed and focused. We all experience being overwhelmed, exhausted, and trapped in relentless stress and anxiety cycles. Our minds race endlessly, making it challenging to be present. Meditation offers a much-needed break from this mental noise, helping us recharge and find peace amid chaos. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly juggling work, family, and social demands. Bombarded with notifications and messages, we feel frazzled. We're eager for quick stress management solutions. What if you could find stress relief in just 5 minutes a day? It sounds too good to be true, but this simple meditation practice offers precisely that. Starting meditation can be daunting, especially for beginners. Doubts about quieting the mind or doing it right might arise. However, meditation is not about achieving a mystical state or silencing thoughts. It's about being present, kind, and gentle with yourself, creating a breathing space to relax and let go. Begin by sitting comfortably with a straight back and relaxed shoulders. Close your eyes and breathe deeply through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Notice the breath's movement in your body, letting go of tension and stress. Visualize worries drifting away like clouds, leaving you light and free. Continue deep breathing, focusing on the air sensation moving through your body. Feel your chest rise and fall, lungs expand and contract. Settle into this rhythm, releasing distracting thoughts. Allow yourself to be immersed in the sensation of breathing, finding peace in the simplicity of the moment. Imagine yourself in a tranquil setting, a beach at sunset, a forest glade, or a mountain meadow. Absorb the sights, sounds, and smells, letting a wave of calmness and relaxation wash over you. This visualization reinforces the meditation, grounding you further in a state of serenity. As the meditation deepens, release any lingering tension or stress. Let your body relax, your mind quiet, and your heart fill with peace and tranquility. Surrendering to the moment brings profound relaxation, making space for clarity and balance in your life. This 5-minute meditation can transform your day and even your life. By making it a daily habit, you can consistently reduce stress and anxiety while enhancing mood, focus, and productivity. The simplicity and effectiveness of such a short practice underscore the power of meditation. Carry this meditation practice with you wherever you go, knowing instant stress relief is only a few minutes away. For more meditation techniques, explore my other videos, and continue your relaxation journey. I'm excited to hear about your experiences, so share your thoughts in the comments below.